The first one and the most important one is Agni, the main digestive fire in your stomach and your small intestine. And this is really the boss. Then you have the Agni, the fire within each tissue: plasma, blood, muscle, fat, bone, nerves, and reproductive tissue. These fires nourish your body step by step and eventually create ojas, your deep vitality, your immunity, and your emotional resilience. Then we have Bhuta Agni, the fire in your liver that transforms the food into the 5 elements, so the body can actually build tissues from it. These Agnis together decide how well you digest life. Just a little, let's recap or say these 3 again. Agni, the boss, digests everything. The boss and the main digestive fire. Agni nourishes the tissues and produces ojas. And Bhuta Agni breaks down into the elements and into assimilation. The Agni isn't fixed. It changes with stress, food, routine, even in the seasons. And Ayurveda recognizes 4 stages of Agni. First, Sama Agni, a balanced state. Balanced digestion, which is ideal: steady appetite, comfortable elimination, clear mind, and stable energy. And so that's what we are striving for. And most of us experience this after a restful week, after retreat, nice holiday, or simply a regular rhythm. The second one is Vishama Agni, an irregular Agni, irregular digestion. So here digestion is unpredictable. Hungry one day, not hungry the next day. Gas, bloating, dryness, constipation, anxiety, these are all the signs. And these signs, if you have listened to a few of the posts, especially the recent ones, they are all signs of Vata. What helps here is warmth, regular meal times, and a calm rhythm, exactly what Vata as well needs. The third one is Tikshna Agni, sharp, too strong. So this is an overactive digestion. Lots of heat is involved.